Welcome back on this Valentine's Day. Not too bad out there, blue skies and sunshine, a little chilly, but we will not complain. Let's get to meteorologist Cedric Haynes here in the studio. Cedric.
Yes, good afternoon, Latrice. I'll tell you what, we've got some gorgeous weather out there on this Valentine's Day. Let me show you what's going on with our temperatures right now, because we're sitting at about 43 in Cleveland, 41 in Athens, 45 Murphy, 43 Blue Ridge, and 47 degrees currently in Fort Payne. Here's the big picture. Notice a fairly quiet weather pattern across the eastern half of the country. We've got a few snow flurries and snow showers towards the Great Lakes and over towards portions of the Northeast. But for us, we're seeing that northwesterly flow ushering in that cool but dry air across the area. So lots of sunshine showing up. But the big blue H, high pressure, that's our friend, and that's giving us the nice weather. As it slides off towards the east, our winds are going to go from moving out of the north and west to moving out of the south and west, and that's going to usher in some warmer air. Now, so take a look at the temperature change map over the past 24 hours. You can see the colder air masses slowly retreating off towards the east, and notice the warmer air slowly building in from the west. So today will be the last kind of cool day, and now we're going to be on a warming trend as we go throughout the next several days, and that will eventually lead to temperatures nearing 70 degrees as we get towards later this week. So if you like the warm weather, yeah, we've got more of that headed your way. But let's talk about this afternoon, because it is Valentine's Day, and overall the weather will cooperate out there as we're looking at lots of sunshine. Again, a cool day, but not a cold day. We're looking at temperatures climbing into the lower 50s for highs this afternoon with all that sunshine. And for the all-important evening forecast, notice clearing skies and temperatures going from the 40s into the 30s. So it will be dry. You'll want to bundle up because it'll be a little on the cool side if you're out and about for dinner plans this evening. And then notice later on tonight, yeah, it gets quite chilly out there. So those temperatures start to drop to and below freezing. So that's why, yeah, we've got that cuddle alert in the forecast for you as we go throughout this evening and tonight. Now, notice our next weather maker. Well, right now we've got this trough, that northwesterly flows we've been talking about. That's ushering in that colder air mass across the area. And I say colder than where we were at the end of last week as we had that front moving on through. But this is a short-lived cool snap out there that will begin to retreat off towards the north and east as we go throughout the next couple of days. And as that happens, the old scale pattern starts to change, and a big area of low pressure will drop down across the Four Corners region. That will help to pump up the jet stream, which means warmer air streams into the south and east. So that's why we're going to see a warming trend, but that clash between the warmer air and the colder air will lead to some storms developing across portions of the Arklatex region, and some of those storms could be on the strong to severe side. So we'll have to watch that for you closely off to our west, and then maybe watching it as it gets closer to our area as we get towards the end of the week. Now, Wednesday will be the day of change. That's when those winds start to ramp up out of the south, so it will be breezy on your Wednesday. Winds gusting anywhere between 20 to 30 miles per hour across the area, and that's going to be ahead of this next storm system. So let's take a look at it on the weather maps. Again, warm and breezy ahead of that system on Wednesday, but here it comes out of the Four Corners region, and notice all the moisture as it opens up the Gulf of Mexico. So lots of shower and thunderstorm activity developing here across the Ohio Valley, even some snow way up across portions of the Ohio Valley. But here we go, Thursday afternoon about 5 o'clock. That's when we're going to be expecting that chance for those storms to possibly develop and move through the area. One or two of those storms could have some gusty winds, so we're going to watch that closely. And then behind this system, it's a quick mover, and it brings in cooler air again as we get towards next weekend. But as far as rainfall totals go, right now I'd say anywhere between a half an inch to an inch looks fairly likely across the area, but there will likely be some isolated higher totals as well. So we'll watch that for you very closely. Here's your Storm Alert 7-day forecast. Happy Valentine's Day. 53 degrees for your high today. How about 60 Tuesday? Breezy and low to mid 60s Wednesday. Again, all eyes will be on Thursday for that rain and storm chance, followed by cooler weather for the end of the week. Latrice.
Thank you, Cedric.